start opening all my... let's quickly do... oh, could get Cosmic and Tech. Probably gonna use my 4-star crystal shards in there, but let's quickly just open all my 3 stars. Just because. Oh, okay. No, thank you. No, alright. Ooh, but got Omega Red and the champion. Not bad champions. Both Omega Red is in the Beyond God tier, so honestly, not bad, but don't really need him. So I'm just gonna open these. Add this. This. Okay, let's open these 3. A Morning Star. Not bad, not bad. Other than that, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Scarlet Witch wasn't that good, but not bad. Alright, now let's open these premium ones. 10,000. Alright. Alright. Let's open 10 of these. See what we get. Anything good? Okay. No, nothing too good. Visible Woman, not a bad 3-star, honestly. Awaken the Force for Scarlet Witch, though, so that's nice. Alright. Okay, no, don't want any deals. Thank you, but no thank you. Okay, let's just open these. Hopefully. Hey!
That's pretty good!
Alright, not bad. Black Widow as well. Black Widow, the 3-star Black Widow is what I used most of the time before I didn't need him. Anyways, okay. Finish opening these. There we go. Alright, open these 4. See what we get. 3-star Hilda. Not bad, honestly. I mean, nothing crazy, but not bad, not bad. Hilda's definitely up there for me. Alright, okay. So, before we start doing the 4-star crystals and stuff, let's get these 2 out. See, anything good? Ooh, Nightcrawler and Spider-Man Enhanced. That's not bad. Honestly, all these ones, like, most of these ones I can actually use. So, that's good, that's good. Okay, okay, let's open these, because I have 9 of them. Don't need more. Alright. Oh, wow. Well, look at that, guys. We got a 4-star Nexus Hero Crystal. Ooh, and we got Tigra? Oh, man. Dude, that was a dope opening. Anyways. So, well, since we got a 4-star Nexus Crystal, we'll do that a little later. But, here, let's see. Any more? Okay, no. Okay. So, basically, let's just open this. We have one. Don't need it. Rhino. Terrible. So, yeah. Okay, let's open the mutant one. Here, this time let's spin it. Alright, I'm gonna predict it's gonna be Storm. My prediction. Let's see. No, Cyclops, okay. Probably he's gonna be a duplicate. But, nope, not a duplicate. Very good. That's interesting. Alright. So, we got our 4 stars here. I'm gonna be opening the Cosmic and Techs because that's actually mostly what I need to get to just differentiate. Okay, let's open this. Mutant Diablo, not a bad. Not too good, but not that bad, honestly. Alright, okay. So, we have our Nexus Crystals. 4-star, 3-star, 4-star. Alright, so. I think we should open the gold pool. Because, let's just open the gold pool manually. I would love a 5-star gold pool. Not gonna happen though. So, yeah. Gold as I expected. But, be really nice. I'm gonna do this one. And 3, 2, 1. And I predict it's gonna be gold. Well, what do you know? Alright. Zippity-doo-dah. Alright, Kate. I might buy 2 of these later. If we get a 5-star that Nexus from the Nexus crystal that I consider god tier and not scientific, I will buy those 2 with my 300. But, you know, we'll see. Alright, okay, so we have the Fractioner crystal. Let's open this one. It doesn't have as good of rewards. So let's open these 4. See what we get. Maybe 4-star. Nope, but we got Ebony Maw and the Thing. No, those are actually decently good ones. So I'm actually happy. These 3 stars are really good. Okay, here, 4-star Nexus. Alright, so we can either get a 3 to 5-star with this one, but this one we can only get 3 to 4-star. So let's open this one next. 4-star, just quickly spin it. Probably gonna be some kind of 2-star. Let's see. Oh no. Well, Iron Man Infinity War. Not a bad champion. Definitely up there. I like using that one, so. Okay, so now we've gotten pretty much through all the good. So we have a 4-star and 4-star. Here, let's quickly go in here and open up these. Okay. So just quickly get these ones. Alright, let's open this. I'm hoping, as I said, I'd love Ghost or Doctor Doom, but we'll just have to see. That is pretty much god tier. Darkhawk. I will use him a lot. He is a very good champion, and he's not a science champion. So I am happy about that. Alright, let's see the next one. Yo, Hulkbuster. Hulkbuster got a buff. I'll actually use him probably. He's like, I remember he used to be like meme tier or something like that, but now he's up there with God and beyond tier. Alright. Iron Man. Yeah. Meme tier at maybe like D tier or something, but at best, nothing too good. Alright, let's see what else. Melicon. Fine, I guess. Nothing too exciting. Come on, give me, even a Colossus, even after Colossus is up there. Oh wait, I forgot. These are, these are oh god. Okay, well, anyways, Sentinel as well. Definitely use these. Sorry guys, I thought we were just doing the normal ones, but no. Okay. Let's just open this quickly. Maybe, if we're lucky, we'll get a Ghost, but I'm going to be very surprised if we actually manage to pull that. Silver Surfer! God tier champion. Very happy about that. Very happy about that, actually. Alright. And after this, I'll show you all the champions. Alright, so we got no more here. Got 2 4-stars. Let's just open these 2 normally. Hey! Look what we got. We got Longshot. Definitely god tier. And we got Bishop. Fine. I mean, he's like a low demigod tier, like B to C tier, but you know, not it's nothing to write home about. Alright, we'll do the 4-star Nexus Hero Crystal. Yep, let's just pause it. See what we get. Alright, what do we choose from? Ooh, okay. I'm pretty sure I'm going to probably awaken my Silver Surfer. Iron Patron and Venom, not the best champions. But Silver Surfer is, I'm going to unlock his signature. Nice. Okay. 24. Wow. Okay, that's quite a bit. Alright, now time for probably what you guys came here for. We got a 3 to 5 crystal. Let's see what we get. Okay. Hoping for a 5-star. Not gonna happen though. Oh! Yo, this champion just recently came out. I don't know if he's really good, but he's got science, so we'll probably use him. Okay, let's see what we get here. 4-star Punisher 2099. I put him at a demigod tier, so that's not a bad start at all. Alright, time for the one you've all been waiting for. We get one I consider beyond god tier. I will buy this. We got Nick Fury. Dude, we got Nick Fury. Oh my. Alright. I consider him beyond god tier. I don't know if you guys agree with me on that, but such a good champion, in my opinion. Alright, I guess promise is a promise. I'll spend these two. And just to warm down, let's see if we get anything interesting. I mean, okay. Just kidding, not a couple. It's a 2-star, nothing too good. But yeah. Alright. 3-star Nova. You know what? I'll take that. He's definitely up there of what I could get for good. Alright, so now let's go to my champions quickly. Alright, we got a bunch of new ones. Okay, let's just see all these. I'm just gonna quickly sell these 2-stars. Well, actually, for now I'll keep them, but mostly I want to focus on the Nick Fury we got. Definitely, let's just quickly upgrade him here. Alright. Good thing I unlocked that greater gold crystal, so this is really good. Let me just go to my catalyst here. I mean, not my catalyst, sorry. My ISO. Here, do we have any good ones right here? Got a lot of cosmic, so Silver Surfer is going to be upgraded a lot. But I'll claim these. Just those two for now. Alright. Let's just put these up here. Didn't really get any good force. I'm just going to use the rest of these quickly. Alright, let's rank them up. So tier 20 out of 25. Well, as you can see, we got some pretty good ones. 2-stars, actually, the 2-stars were fine, I guess, but we'll be testing out some of these new champions. Some of these I've never played with, like Longshot, for instance, or Red Guardian, but yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to subscribe, feel free to. You don't have to, but, you know, do what you want. See you guys.